Hello and welcome to another episode of How to Do It by Dwayne's Reliable Computer Services. So today I'm going to talk about a real simple backup solution. Everyone says you should always back up your computer, but a lot of people really don't know how to do that and don't know how simple it can be. First thing is you need an external hard drive similar to this one right here. They come in sizes varying from 500 gigabytes to 1 terabyte, 2 terabyte, even 4 terabytes or 8 terabytes. A 1 terabyte drive costs, $50, $60, so they're not terribly expensive. So you get your drive and plug it into your computer, and then open up your file folder right down here, and you should see it listed. So this one's called Seagate, so it's Seagate Basic right here. So I'll pop that open. So here it is. It's completely empty. If you right-click, you can go down to New and Folder. Okay, so we're going to do backup as of 07/04/2020. So we backed it up on 4th of July. All right, so here's where we're going to put our backup. But what are we going to back up? So first off, we're going to right-click on this PC, and we're going to say Open in a new window. So that will open it up. And if you remember from a video I did before about Snap Assist in Windows 10, we'll use that now. And I'll put a link in the description. So you drag this to here, it pops open. And we'll use this one for the other one. Okay, so now we're going to go into our backup. And just to help you keep track, Seagate Basic G Backup. Okay, this PC. So that way you know where you're at. And doing a backup can be very, very simple. Usually you have stuff on your desktops. You want to back that up. You can just grab this and you can drag this over to here. Oh, wait a minute, it says create a link. We don't want to create a link. We want to actually copy it. So let's go right click and let's go copy and come over to here. We'll go right click and say paste. And it's capturing, and okay, there's our desktop. Another one that you probably need is your documents. So we'll go here and go right click and copy. And again, right click and paste. And again, it will copy over all of that. A lot of people have music and they want to save that. So we will go copy, right click on this side and go paste. And we'll get our pictures. We'll go right click and copy and right click and paste. Okay, now we're getting our pictures on there. If you have videos, of course, you can do those. Go copy and paste. All right, so nice and simple. Now everything that is in your desktop, documents, music, pictures, and videos has been copied onto your Seagate Basic in backup as of 07/04/2020. If we go back a level, you can see here's that backup. So if I put another bunch of pictures on my computer, I can real easily, once again, just go in here and say New Folder, and I can say Backup as of 08/01/2020, and open that up. And then on that date, I can do the exact same thing to copy all of that over. This is a real simple, basic backup system. I would not recommend this for any business purposes, but on a home computer where you don't do a lot of stuff, you're not creating new documents or new pictures on a daily basis, this type of backup can work very well. And like I said, it's relatively inexpensive. This backup drive that I showed you cost about $55. So this is something you can easily do on your own. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if there's other things on the computer that you would like to know how to do, please leave me a message in the comments and I'll see about working on those videos too. Thank you.